Hi, my name is Anand. I am from Singapore. So actually, I saw the advertisement through YouTube. I saw many videos in YouTube. So I just got the result is very good. So I talked with the team, IFT team. So I'm really satisfied with their approach and everything. So I told him, so they are going to do like 5,000 graph because I'm almost my frontal area and the mid scalp and the crown area almost gone, almost gone everything. So they told me like 5,000 graph. So they introduced me the IFT technique. So I think it's when I see the result, it's like pretty much natural. So I choose AFT to do the transplant. I think I expect a good result from here. And thank you. I think the approach from IFT is really good. They're handling the team and everything, especially the Ringu. She's always talking, and if I have concerns about hair transplant, she will explain me everything. And I think it's nice to be do with the IFT technique. Yeah, in here. Yeah, thank you. Actually, yesterday I did my hair transplantation. They implanted around 5,000 grafts through the IFT method through using the zigzag model. So actually, I never had only little bit pain. It's like it's can adjustable, but not too much pain. I just had a good experience with the doctors. Everybody is asking every time you need to use the washroom or anything. If you want anything, you can tell me about this one. It took around 10 to 12 hours for the surgery, but in between that there is not that much pain. I don't feel that much pain because of the local anesthesia. And about the hospitality, it's really nice because they provide me food for both time meals and everything. So I think the rooms are very hygiene. They give me a room for staying for one night. I think the air condition, everything was there. So it is feels like luxurious to be here. And especially the hygiene of the clinic is really important. I think it's the best. They have everywhere it's hygiene. Even every places is hygiene. So I think I will surely recommend here for your hair transplantation. And thank you so much.